interest. I just want you to know that the same real estate interests are also targeting Norman Yi, Christina Olargi, and a few others, because they obviously see all the Asians or Chinese, people of color, have some linkage, I don't know whether it's being, quote, progressive or colored, but anyway, they're linked. And Norman Yi also needs a lot of help because in District 7, the realtor have put together a package, and they, you must have, Norman, felt the impact in the last couple of weeks. SF Crowley and Garcia, they are all combined trying to take you down. So be aware of that.